Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I'm going to, I can just hear my coworkers stomping on by outside the studio door. Anyway, back to the video. So today I'm going to do a little unboxing of our Minutes to Mermaid brush set. I actually did an Instagram story about these guys not too long ago, and it got some crowds cheer, so I figured I'd do a vlog about it. So let's get on into it. So first, you get this beautiful mermaid tissue paper. You can reuse it for a gift if you want. Cheapskate. So you get 2 eye brushes. I'm like out of breath today. I'm really not feeling great today. You guys can probably tell. I feel like I can tell when I film differently if I'm in different moods. Today's a pretty bad day. So today I actually came into the studio looking for a good cry. It's a good place to cry if you're having a bad day. I've just been pretty bummed about myself lately. Just how I look, how I feel, like I just need a change. That's why I'm in a weird mood, if you can tell. And that is my spiel. So, back to the eye brushes, huh? So this crease brush is perfect. Since it's flat and like tapered, you get like best of both worlds. You can pack on shadow, you can blend shadow. The options are endless. And then we have this pencil brush, which is great for, you know, smoking out liner, highlighting the inner corner, blending it onto the lower lash line, doing a cut crease. You can use it as a lip brush. You could... What else can you do? Next up is my favorite of the whole set. Alright, so this is a stippling brush, and this, talk about a multitasker. You can use this for primer if you want to start your face. If you, I don't know, sometimes I'm just lazy, I don't want to touch anything, so even primer, I'm just like, me. Or you could use this for your moisturizer. You can use this for any like cream products, but also powder products. I love this for highlighter. I love it for cream bronzer. I have been using it. You can use it as a foundation brush. Use it for our glitter gel in the part of your hair. And yeah, great brush. 10 out of 10. Alright, next is this cheek brush right here. And this is perfect for contour. So take our Pro Glue palette, do some contour on your cheeks. This is perfect, fits right in the hollows of your cheeks. Alright, last, so soft, it like slipped out of my fingers, it's so soft. This fluffy dome brush. Everybody needs a good powder brush, a good fluff brush. A little fluff, so fluffy I'm gonna die. Name that movie. The fluffy dome brush, and this is so soft. I know, like, you guys are probably sick of people being like, I wish you could feel it through the camera. But I'm going to pull it. I wish you could feel it through the camera. It is so soft. It's like touching a bunny. But did you know all of our brushes are vegan and cruelty-free? So feels like you're petting a sweet little critter, but we don't do that over here. No. So let's talk money, huh? Let's talk dollars. $42. So 5 brushes, 42. You're like, oh, I'm not going to spend $42 on that. But how much do you pay for a normal brush? 1 brush. How much do you pay? Answer the question. All right. 42 divided by 5. 8.4. $8.40 per brush. So you think, whoa, $42? I'm not going to drop that on a set of brushes. But do you think about the value that you're getting? Huh? Because I always do. I'm always like, if I do this, this, and this, I'll save this much money, and then it'll go towards this. So how much would you expect to pay for 1 brush? Over $10 at least, if it's a good brush, probably even more. And let me tell you, these are fine brushes, my friend. So they're super soft, they are great quality brushes, and hi, they look like this, like sturdy. Great quality brushes for under $10 a brush. I mean, that's crazy. So alright, so I hope you enjoyed this rundown. Sorry I'm like babbling like crazy today and being a weirdo, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get by, huh? I like talk in weird voices a lot, and like growing up I always did. Like honestly, I didn't even know what my voice was when I was little, because I would like always talk in different voices like this, or you know, talk like this. Or different, what? I was like talking like Mickey Mouse the other day, because I like, sometimes I can go like 0 to Mickey Mouse like real quick, because I have such like a high-pitched voice. I used to be able to do Marge Simpson, but I don't think I can do it anymore. It takes some like concentration. I'm just in a weird mood today. I'm in a funk, I'm in a funk, guys. But these brushes make it better. So if you're in a funk, go buy our brushes. They'll make everything better. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Oh. I tried so hard. Anybody? Akon? Right? Akon? Let's play that puppy. Don't flag me, YouTube. I tried. Oh, Bone Thugs and Harmony. Duh. Oh, and Akon. Whew. This is a jam and a half. Come easy. You gotta try real hard. I try hard. I try so hard. Can't seem to get away from misery. Anyway. I hope you guys had fun with me today. Hope you liked the video. If you haven't gotten these brushes, just do it. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.